Hi guys, it's Afton and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make ripe plantain sausage rolls, or you can call it plantain in a blanket. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious recipe, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, and you can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. And all my ingredients for this dish, which is just 2 ingredients, will be in the description box down below. And I want to ask you guys to please go and subscribe to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below. And I want to ask you guys to please go and check out my playlists. I will also leave a couple of my playlists in the description box down below. And also, please watch my ads in my video. When you guys watch my ads, that helps me out a lot. So do not skip the ads. I would really appreciate it. All right. Well, this sausage roll, my kids love eating the sausage roll. And also you can make this for like an appetizer for a party, as a cutters, as a kids recipe. You can make it for anybody or for any event as well. All right, so let me just show you my ingredients for my ripe plantain sausage roll or plantain in the blanket. So here's my ingredients. Enjoy. Hey guys, these are my ingredients for my plantain pig in the blanket, or you could call it plantain blanket. So over here I have some ripe plantain that I cut thinly sliced. Over here I have my sausage. I cut it in 3, and all you need is a toothpick. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I don't have no one to hold the camera, so I want to show you guys how to roll the sausage into the plantain. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take your plantain here, and you're gonna take one of the sausage here, and you're gonna go right up. You're gonna try your best to roll it just like this, and then you're gonna take your toothpick and you're gonna lock it in like this. All right, so this is how it's supposed to look. All right, so we'll be back. I'm gonna finish off the rest and then I'll show you guys. Do another one that you guys see. Guys, I'm not playing music, it's the neighbor next door, so forgive me. So again, I'm going to take my sausage and try my best to roll it into the thing. I know I'm not doing a good job in showing you guys how to roll it, but I'm trying. Alright, so this is how it's supposed to be looking. Like this. So you roll the sausage into the plantain, the ripe plantain. All right, so I'm gonna roll out the rest and then I'll show you guys the next step. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I just finished rolling my sausage into the plantain. So I just put some oil in the pot to hot up, so we're gonna fry it now. So we'll be back. So my oil finished hotting, it's hot, so I'm gonna pour in my plantain and sausage. Just like this. And we're gonna fry it for a few minutes. It's hot. Alright, I'm gonna put this in and let it fry, and when it's finished frying, I'll be back and show you guys. It's been about a minute, so I'm gonna turn it over. Yeah, I'm turning them over so you can fry. I guess my oil was a little too hot because it fried really fast. Anyhow, so when it finished frying, I have the plate here with a paper towel. So I'm gonna put it into the paper towel to absorb the oil. Okay, the first set gets a little burn, but I don't care. I'm gonna yum it up same way. So I'm gonna take out the first set here. See, my oil was too hot, that's why. It's still gonna be delicious, so no biggie. So I'm gonna put in the second set now to fry. But I'm staying right in front of the stove. I'm not moving again because I don't want the second set to burn. Alright guys, so I'm staying right here. I'm not moving. The second set got fried good. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so the second set's finished frying, so I'm gonna take it out. But as you notice, the video a little dark because the phone battery overheats. So I'm gonna take this out one at a time. Just like this. One of them loose up, but that's okay. This one he loose up. So guys, you see the difference on your left? Perfect. On your right? Burn up. But we gonna still eat them. So I'm gonna taste this on camera and let you guys see. So we'll be back. Alright guys, so my plantain sausage roll is all done. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. So over here is my plantain sausage roll. So I'm gonna take this one here. And if you want, you could put ketchup on it, or a little pepper, or a little mustard. Whatever you wanna eat it with, you can. So I am just gonna pull out my toothpick out of it so I can get to eat it better. Alright, so here is my sausage roll, guys. Here goes. This is so good. This is a great recipe. It's very simple. It's just 2 ingredients and it's easy to make. Alright? So I hope you guys try my recipe and hope you also like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Alright? And don't forget, please watch my ads in my video and check out my playlist as well. Alright guys, take care and see you in the next video. Bye!